How to send quick snap on Instagram DM. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send quick snap on Instagram DM. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the messaging icon which can be seen in the bottom center of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the DM section, here just at the bottom right side at the corner, you'll see a plus icon. So there you can simply tap on it, and once you do that, you'll be prompted to the quick snap section. Now here, what you can do is you can just tap on the shutter button to take a quick snap of anything you like. And here, once you're done selecting it, you can just upload it, or you can just select your friends to share it with. And here, your quick snaps will be automatically shared in your Instagram DMs. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.